Join me as I dive into the compassionate approach Prophet Muhammad had towards sinners and see if I can uncover insights that might change the way we think about forgiveness. He showed us that it's never too late to change our ways and start anew. His compassion and wisdom can serve as a guiding light in our darkest moments. One of the most beautiful aspects of Islam is its emphasis on second chances, and the Prophet's life is a testament to this. We can learn how to treat ourselves and others with kindness and understanding. But the Prophet's teachings remind us that we are human, and it's natural to make mistakes. What's important is how we respond to those mistakes, and whether we're willing to learn from them and grow. By acknowledging our weaknesses and imperfections, we can begin to let go of the guilt and shame that holds us back. The Prophet's approach also encourages us to treat others with compassion and empathy. When someone makes a mistake, our instinct might be to judge them or turn our backs. But the Prophet showed us that this is not the way to inspire positive change. Instead, we should strive to understand the person's motivations and offer guidance and support. By doing so, we create an environment where people feel safe to admit their mistakes and work towards redemption. By embracing the Prophet's compassion approach, we can break free from the cycle of guilt and shame that holds us back. We can learn to forgive ourselves and others, and create a more loving and supportive community. We will examine specific stories from the Prophet's life that illustrate his empathy and understanding towards sinners, demonstrating his belief in the power of repentance. One such story is that of a man who had committed a grave mistake, and yet the Prophet still treated him with kindness and respect. This story teaches us that even in the face of grave errors, there is always room for forgiveness and redemption. The Prophet's compassion was not limited to his words alone, his actions also spoke volumes. In many instances, he would go out of his way to help those who had erred, providing them with the support and guidance they needed to get back on track. This teaches us that compassion is not just about feeling sorry for someone, but about taking action to help them. Through these stories, we gain a deeper understanding of the Prophet's belief in the power of repentance. He showed us that no matter what we've done, we always have the opportunity to start anew and make amends. This is a powerful message that can inspire hope and transformation in our lives. The Prophet's approach also reminds us that forgiveness is not just about the person who has erred, but about ourselves as well. When we hold on to grudges and resentment, we're only harming ourselves. By letting go of these negative emotions, we can create space for love, compassion, and understanding to flourish. The most powerful moment comes when we discuss a particular incident where the Prophet forgave a notorious sinner, showcasing his boundless compassion and wisdom. This story is a testament to the Prophet's ability to see beyond the surface level and into the hearts of those around him. He knew that everyone has the capacity for change, and that with compassion and guidance, even the most hardened of hearts can soften. In this incident, the Prophet's forgiveness was not just a one-time act, it was a process that required patience, understanding, and empathy. He was willing to give the person a second chance, not because they deserved it, but because he believed in their potential for growth and redemption. This teaches us that forgiveness is not just about the act itself, but about the ongoing process of supporting and guiding others towards positive change. This story also highlights the importance of compassion and empathy in our relationships. When we judge others or turn our backs on them, we're not only harming them, but also ourselves. By choosing to forgive and show compassion, we create an environment where love and understanding can thrive. In summary, the Prophet Muhammad's approach teaches us the importance of compassion and forgiveness, reminding us that everyone deserves a chance to change. If you found this video enlightening, be sure to check out our other videos on Islamic teachings and share your thoughts in the comments below.